Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll be playing a game mode known as Trouble in Terrorist Town, otherwise known as TTT. You may have seen this game mode with other YouTubers, but essentially this game mode has a deck of randomized cards. Players will draw from this deck, and whoever pulls the red card is a terrorist/murderer. The people who pull the black cards are innocent. The player who pulls the joker is the sheriff. There is only one sheriff. The sheriff's job is to search dead bodies and to ultimately find and eliminate the terrorist/murderer. Let's see how this game plays out. Enjoy.
What? Nothing. Everybody on the wall now!
Everybody on the wall!
Face the wall.
Now spread
Everybody
them
backs on the wall.
hands on the wall.
Shut the fuck up.
Drop them drawers and spread them cheeks. Okay.
I'm sorry. He's a Navy corpsman.
Shut up. No, I'm not. Not yet.
He's fucking gay.
That's what I say.
This game mode was hosted by my good friend at Steady Soldier. Thank you for bringing this game mode to the table.
Yes.
Hey, Colin, you cannot kill officers.
Wait, I have a queen.
Okay, so like if I see somebody kill somebody, I can just start shooting.
Yes, you can.
Okay.
But
What color is it? Queens don't matter.
Hey,
Wait, why'd you tell me?
on the wall.
I already got my
Big on the damn.
On the damn wall, boy.
See this? See what I have to do with everything?
That's your brother?
Yeah.
Fuck.
Right? See?
How old are you, kid?
He's 15.
You're 15?
See?
God damn. I gotta guess you're 12 on a good day.
Guess what the puberty.
In this game mode, I'm running at RaphaelDoesEverything's AAPO1 with stock internals and an extended mag. My SSX-23's trigger unit was broken, therefore the handgun wasn't shot being repaired. Now, if I had the SSX-23, it would have been quite useful due to the fact that this is one of the most quietest, if not the most quietest airsoft firearm out there.
You have hair?
Callsign Ghost, myself, and Steady Soldier are all admins/hosts of this game. We are part of the Nevada Night Raiders Airsoft team, which is slowly but surely growing and expanding.
Up.
For what? The church?
Circle fucking up.
Alright.
Hey guys, circle up, come on.
We're about to initiate the game. After we've drawn our cards, we will be in a circle where all players will close their eyes and keep their fists raised. When called for, traitors/terrorists will raise their heads and keep their thumbs up to acknowledge their allies who are also traitors. At any time, innocents and the sheriff are not allowed to raise their heads or eyes unless they explicitly stated. Let's see who's guilty. Skip to this part of the video if you want it to be a surprise.
Let's make not normal.
Not fucking over.
Eyes down.
Eyes down, head down.
Hands down.
Heads down. Hands up. Only one arm up.
I'm keeping one arm up to cover my eyes just to not arouse any kind of suspicion of cheating.
Y'all hear about it in a second.
Put your hands straight.
Keep your eyes closed, guys.
If
Keep
you
your eyes
have a
closed.
red card, put a thumbs up, open your eyes, and look around.
I am a traitor. Let's see who else is another fellow traitor. As I can see, there is a couple more. There is approximately 3 traitors.
Alright. Everybody's acknowledging their fellow traitors?
Yeah.
Alright, traitors, thumbs down, eyes closed, heads down. Now that we got everything, now arms down, eyes up, and game is on.
What the fuck did I tell you?
Oh, you know what I get?
He's sure.
This is the sheriff. He pulled the Joker card. I'll be sure to either eliminate him stealthily or at least be careful what I say and do in front of him.
Thank you.
I'm about to ask the host for clarification regarding the rules about the sheriff being shot. This can be seen as an innocent getting clarification on the game set rules, or the terrorist acquiring more information as to seem innocent and not arouse suspicion. Though, if the players were paying close attention, then they would know that I'm a host and I know the rules set by heart.
What happens if sheriff gets shot? What happens if sheriff gets shot?
Well, we're kind of fucked.
We never discussed that. We never discussed that rule.
Well, when the sheriffs get shot,
Should we tell that to the whole group right now?
Take our
Yeah,
bags
we
out.
should probably tell the whole group what happens if the sheriff gets shot, right?
My
And then is it just innocence versus... Alright, should we tell that to everyone?
I think everybody's good.
Okay.
Alright.
Let's see what
Hey!
So say
Guys, let's all stay together so then the traitors can't kill us.
Yeah,
No,
that's
the
true.
traitors will just gun us down in a crowd. Right?
Good idea. thanks for the idea.
Just like in Berlin.
But at the same time, statistically speaking, there will be less traitors than innocents.
Peter.
Can't wait for
I trust the man.
Who here's Polish?
Nobody.
Gotcha.
That means the traitors.
Who here's the traitor? The Poles are the traitors!
I'm expressing the analogy of TTT. Holy shit. What the fuck is that?
15-year-old kid.
We shouldn't be bunching up like this.
Polish?
You guys probably should. What if someone pulls out like a grenade or something?
Traitor, I'll say
And I am
that.
not Polish.
Hey, whoa. Hey,
Are you guys alone?
you're gonna your hand if you're over 5% ethnically Polish. Who is it? It's him. He's fucking Asian. Look at him.
Oh my god.
I gotta protect
That is
you.
close enough to
We
Poland.
need a white guy. You, are you Polish?
Died!
Okay, I agree with that.
I am as German as... Don't say Hitler! Don't say Hitler! You should say Hitler! You are you fucking German! He's not fucking Polish! Yeah! Hey! What's your opinion on Polish people?
I don't like them.
You fucking hate them?
I respect this guy at all times.
Yeah!
He's our payload.
Who wants some life advice? Alright, everyone listen up. Campfire time.
I see that a large group is amassing. Therefore, I am now thinking of ideas on how to eliminate as many innocents as possible with my one life.
Is it no, wrong. Listen.
Hey, you, get in the circle.
Never get in the circle. Ladies, never ask a woman
My fellow trainer knows something is up, as I switch my gun to full auto.
her age, a man his salary, and an Argentinian his SS rank.
The AAP-01 is such an amazing gun. It can shoot up to 30 rounds per second, and it is great as a stock gun. I just eliminated 90% of the innocents. With my one life, there are 5 traitors in total. Therefore, the trade-off was quite good. I'm sorry for full autoing you guys. I didn't want to, but I had to in order to eliminate as many innocents as possible.
Oh my god.
That guy's still alive? That guy right there. The guy lounging.
I fucking knew it.
Holy shit, that was half the mag. I was.
Is everyone dead?
Let's go! I clutched the fuck up for the innocent! Bitch, I knew you were a T. I fucking knew you were a T. I saw your...
So how many people died from that?
The game ends with innocents losing to traitors/terrorists. While I was able to effectively eliminate as many players as possible, I did however lose my life. Ideally, I would be able to eliminate all of these players silently and efficiently without having to arouse suspicion. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and the game mode as a whole. If you guys want to see more videos like this, please comment and subscribe and share with your friends. It would be greatly appreciated and at little to no cost for yourself. Thank you guys for watching and see you guys in the next one. Goodbye for now.
Late at night when you're sleeping, UDTs come a-creeping all around. A-creeping all around. Hey! They came to find their wounded. They came to find their wounded. They came to claim their dead. They came to claim their dead.